Welcome back to my channel, Will's Kitchen Table. Thanks to all the new subscribers who just come on board. My name is Will. Cooking is my passion. Love it, love it, love it. And today I'm going to be making some oxtail. I'm going to get this marinated right now. I got about 2 pounds of oxtail right here. So I'm going to get some spices on it so you guys can see the way I cook my oxtail. Okay guys, let's get this marinade right now. So this is the oxtail here, as I said, 2 pounds, all washed, clean, ready to go. And I got some spices here I'm gonna be putting on right now. I got a tablespoon of garlic powder going on right there. Plus I got some oxtail spices right here. This is a Grace oxtail spice I'm using. And then I got some Grace all-purpose going on also. And I got some Maggie all-purpose going on. That's about a tablespoon each, guys. And then I got about a teaspoon of black pepper right here. And I got some pimento allspice. This is key spice you gotta use in your oxtail, guys. And my teaspoon of black pepper right here. And I got 4 cloves of garlic crushed. You can chop it fine, up to you guys. And my Scotch bonnet pepper, of course. I'm just cutting a piece. Depends how hot you guys want it. I just want flavor from it. So that's all the dry stuff that I put on. And then I'm gonna put about a tablespoon of this Jamaican Grace browning going inside right here. Yeah. Yeah, that's it. And I'm just gonna mix this all together, guys. And guys, I'm gonna be putting on about 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil right here. We're just gonna get our hands inside and rub this all together. So that's all the dry spices in on the oxtail right now. You can let this sit overnight, guys. If you want to cook it for the next day. And I'm going to get that in a pot and get it browned. Get some flavor into it before I add any water. And I got all my scallion, thyme, onions, carrots, all that good stuff going to go inside when I'm ready to cook it. So you guys stay tuned and I'll get back to you when I'm going to cook this oxtail. And it's going with rice and peas, so yum. You guys stay tuned. Okay people, welcome back to Will's Kitchen Table. Today is an oxtail day. So I got all my stuff ready. You guys remember I was marinating oxtail. You guys will get to see that. I got the oxtail here already. It's marinated from yesterday. It's gonna go in the pot. I got my oil all hot right here and ready to get this in. I got peas here boiling. I wanna show you guys that. I got some gungo peas going, guys. Look at that. It's getting ready. Garlic is inside and all that stuff. So I'm gonna cover this back and I'm gonna get my oxtail right in the pot right here. This is already hot. Get this done, guys. We're gonna eat some oxtail and rice and peas today. Hope you guys are ready to eat with me. Sorry, that's not possible. So this is what on the kitchen table today, guys. Oxtail, I haven't had it in a while. So decided to make oxtail today. I like to brown my oxtail, guys. And this is the way I cook mine. I know everyone cook their oxtail differently. So this is the way Will's oxtail done. Get it all in the pot, guys. And I'm just gonna brown this off in the pot, get some flavor in it, and then I'll get the water in there, and I got all my carrots and scallion and onions all cut up over there. I'm gonna go right inside. So I'll get back to you guys as soon as this is ready. Okay guys, so I think this is brown enough right now. So I'm going to get all the good stuff inside. Some carrots and stuff going in, guys. Scallion and onions. Some fresh thyme. Then we're going to let this bubble. Jamaican style again, oxtail, guys. Get that down. And all these gonna cook right out. All these scallion and thyme gonna disappear inside the oxtail. Guys, so we're gonna get that boiling, so I'll catch you guys back. Okay guys, this is what's going on in the pot. Oxtail is still cooking. I just had some more water to this. You know, oxtail take roughly about 2 hours to cook, guys, so we're gonna be cooking for a while. And I just started my rice over right here with the gungo peas. See the scallion and the pepper. That aroma from the pepper is hitting my nose, guys. Thyme in there, and it's going right now. So I'm gonna get back to you guys later. Okay guys, it's time to eat. Oxtail is ready. It's out the pot. They tell you guys take 2 hours. So I'm gonna take a bite right into this right now. Try the rice. Oh my god. Flavor from the pepper. Wow. Guys, it's good. It's another flavor up. Trust me. Well, thank you guys for watching. Subscribe, like, and share. And guys, hit up the like button. Please, I need you to hit it. Every time you go in the video, hit the like button. Up. Thanks for subscribing and share this video. And I'll see you in the next one.